Well, good morning. Welcome to a particularly cold morning. It is about 8 o'clock a.m. It is September the 25th. And I am back here at the Lost Creek Wilderness. Whew. Oh, man. Yeah, just like last time, this is still intimidating. And, cold too, very cold. Much colder than last time. If you can't tell, looking around me, it's, everything's still kind of frosted over. The ground's all covered in frost. I think it's anywhere in between 30 to 40 degrees right now. Now, why am I back here? Well, short and simple answer is, last time I was here, I was very impressed with the views. It was stunning. It was beautiful. And so I want to experience it again. And, well, it is fall. And this trail is absolutely covered in aspen trees. And the colors are stunning. So yeah, I'm back here again because it's beautiful. It's still gonna be daunting, and yeah, I'm definitely intimidated. Ooh. Before I cross this bridge here, let me just kind of finish what I'm trying to say. It's daunting, it's scary, and I'll admit, last time I was here, I was absolutely not prepared. My pack weight was heavy, and the distance was tough. I was extremely exhausted, and yeah, I was in a bit of pain at the end. So this time it's going to be kind of an experiment here. With the exception of my sleeping bag and sleeping pad, practically everything has been upgraded. I got a new backpack, new tent, and trekking poles, new shoes, new hat. Yeah, practically everything's been upgraded. And with all that upgrade, I probably shaved about 4 to 5 pounds off my pack weight. Which is great, definitely. However, last time I was here, I kind of made a promise to myself to get more in shape and kind of prepare my body for this trip. And yeah, I definitely failed at that. Instead of, working on a hiking body, I worked on a beer body. I definitely drank too many beers in between then and now. I don't know if my health is any better. I'm definitely 1 year older, and I definitely feel it. However, all my equipment's upgraded. So the experiment is, will the equipment compensate for this old aging body? We will find out. I guess we'll get a good taste of that today and see how I feel at the end of this hike. Which first segment I'm going to do is going to be 10 miles. Next segment, 10 miles. And then the following day, 8 miles. Basically the same I did last time. I do got to say I'm a little concerned about the cold here. However, I do have to say, one mistake I made last time was I started my first day at 12 o'clock, which gave me under 7 hours to get to my first stopping point. And today, well, it's about 8, so I gave myself a little bit more time to get there. Anywho, it is time to keep moving, and I will check in later. Day after day, I will walk. Why can't I get just one kiss? Why can't I get just one kiss? Just a little world of mess. Oh my mother. I love to love you, mother. Whoa. To house. Oh my mother. Oh my mother. To love you. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Out the house. Well, honey, gonna add it up, add it up, add it up, add it up. Oh, add it up. See what you got. Add it up, yeah. All right, I gotta put this freaking camera away. It's messing up my balance here. It is 2:45. Yeah, got up here to the butte, I think it's called, and yeah, just enjoying the view. Actually been up here for probably an hour or two. Bumped into this fella. His name was Nick from Florida, and yeah, we've just been just chit-chatting, talking, hanging out, enjoying the view, and definitely recovering, because to get up to this point, it's about 2 miles of a pretty steep incline. And oh man, yeah, it was just as brutal as it was last time. Anyways, I am about to take off here. Just figure I'd show off this fantastic view before I get moving. Heading on that way. Whew. If I recall correctly, the last time I was here, it was about 5 o'clock when I got to this point. Then I had to rush down the mountain. So, I will have an extra 2 hours. So I better get moving here. Otherwise, I might find myself in the same situation as last time, hiking in the dark. Whew. So, anyways, I will see you later.
Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? I'm not gay, by the way.
Whew. All right. It's 3:24, and I'm just thinking back about last year, kind of like the experience I had. And I remember on that first day, I was just rushing to get to camp. But I did take a moment to take a picture of this. And it turned out to be one of my most favorite panorama photos I've ever taken. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to stop to take another photo, because I do want to make sure that I get to camp before it gets dark, so I can enjoy a delicious meal and have time to relax before I gotta go to bed. Oh, anywho, so remembering last time I came through here, I kind of feel like I'm doing like a survival story where I go back and recollect how I survived. And well, anyways, so I remember going past this area on the first day, hiking my ass, trying to get to camp. Give me a moment. I gotta let go of some gas. Okay, now we can continue the story. Anyways, so I remember last time going through this area, and I was highly considering just trying to find a flat ground to set up my tent and camp somewhere. And then I started really looking around, and the terrain and the surrounding area. I was thinking to myself, you know what? This kind of reminds me of mountain lion country, or a good place for a mountain lion to ambush you. You know what? And now that I'm going through this again, I still kind of think that. Yeah, who knows, honestly. But ultimately, that first day, I decided I just gotta keep on going to my planned hiking site, tough it out, and hike through the dark. Anywho, just thought I'd tell that mini story. Well, made it to camp. 10 miles later. I was initially, well, let me say, I was originally going to camp way further down the path, because I kind of recall last year I was walking down that way the following morning and I saw an area that looked like a campsite. And problem is, I didn't really investigate that campsite. It seemed nice, but I didn't check it out, so I'm not entirely sure how good it really was. In which case, I know this campsite. I was here last time. Might as well just use the same campsite. Plus, this time around, I have more water than I did last time. And as you can see, I was able to make it to camp before sundown. The sun is setting, yes, but I made it to camp before it got dark. That was the goal. And so, what I need to do right now is I need to make dinner. I need to stuff my pie hole. Oh, yeah, I need to stuff my pie hole. And then after that, I can get everything set up. Because, yeah, it's going to take time to cook the food, eat the food, clean the dishes. Anyways, I'm about to get started now. Time is... Oh, I almost forgot. It's 7:53. And I'm basically heading off to bed here. Oh, well, I made it through today. Yeah. I did have a chance to enjoy more of the scenery this time around. That was good. Still a pain in the butt, but a couple things definitely helped out. My trekking poles, my new backpack. The new backpack is a slight upgrade from my last one in terms of how much pain I'm in. But in terms of like overall upgrade, yeah, totally. Yeah, that backpack, what is it? The REI Flash 55. It's super awesome. I like it a lot. It's holding up very well. Anyways, so yeah, made it through today, and kind of want to make sure I wake up a little bit before sunrise so I could get the day started sooner. I might set an alarm maybe about 5 or 6 o'clock to go off so I can get my day started. In terms of the temperature, I do have a way to tell how bloody cold it is. Okay, so I checked. It is currently 36 degrees. It's definitely going to get colder tonight. I hope to stay warm. I did upgrade my merino wool to be a thicker thread count. I don't know. GSM something, whatever they rate a thicker material. It's definitely thicker than my last one. So hopefully it'll be even warmer. Anyways, yeah, I'm exhausted and heading off to bed. I'm pretty sure I said that a few times now. Ugh. Anyways, yeah. I don't know what else to say. Oh man. Okay. I will see you in the morning. Bye.